It's interesting that I never realized that there was a second elevator here. We are at 32,270 Telegraph Road in Bingham Farms, Michigan. And there is a second elevator here. That might even be California code. So look at that. Kind of sticks out a little bit. All right, here's the elevator. It's a Dover. I see the difference between these buttons. Well, that's a first. Every time I typically film these Dover elevators, typically only the up works. In this case, it's only the down. Is that? Oh, maybe that's an air freshener. That's why it smells so good in here. Nice bell. All right, let's end it on one. That will be it.